In this experiment, we'll perform paper chromatography and how to calculate the RF value. Let's begin. Materials needed: a strip of filter paper, a pencil, a ruler, a beaker, a few drops of blue ink, a dropper. Step 2. Set up the beaker. Pour about 1 centimeter of solvent, water or ethanol, into the beaker. Step 3. Begin chromatography. Carefully place the paper strip into the beaker, ensuring that the ink dot stays above the solvent level. The solvent will slowly move up the paper by capillary action. Step 4. Observe the separation. As the solvent rises, the ink begins to separate into different shades of blue, depending on its pigment composition. Step 5. Measure and calculate RF value. Once the solvent reaches near the top, remove the paper and let it dry. Now measure the distance traveled by the solvent from the starting line, solvent front, using a ruler. The distance traveled by the ink pigment from the starting point. To calculate the RF value, use the formula. RF equals distance traveled by ink divided by distance traveled by solvent. For example, if the ink traveled 4 centimeters and the solvent traveled 8 centimeters, the RF value is RF equals 4 divided by 8 equals 0.5. Conclusion: the RF value is unique for different pigments and helps identify unknown substances in chromatography. Try this experiment with different inks and compare your results.
Subscribe Education and Learning Medical for more educational contents. Thanks for watching.